Hey guys, so today I am going to be showing you my Tyler squishies that I got in the advent calendar that I showed you in a recent video. So as you can see, I got this really pretty palm one, this Oreo, and this little, I don't know. Oh, okay, sorry. So, this one is, okay. That was cute. A little charm. Cute little charm. Really cute one. Okay, we're gonna set that one aside. Now I'm gonna do our Oreo one. Okay. Okay. This one is a really cute one. I love all of them. Okay, we're gonna put that one to the side over here. And then this one's not as squishy. Really, it's not really squishy. It's more like of this, just like it's like furry. Just this little stuff on it. Yeah, so he's really cute. I don't know whatever is on it, but it's, yeah. Okay, well, it came with some charms and stuff. It's really cute. Yeah, thank you for unboxing my Tyler squishies with me. Thank you. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed the video.